I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing. And what's up, guys? I'm James and welcome to Money Hustle, the best place to be if you're looking for great new ways to hustle and make money online. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on other great videos just like this one. And in this video, I'm going to show you what is needed to create your very first affiliate marketing campaign. Now, let's be honest, when you are new to affiliate marketing, it can be a little bit confusing and difficult to know exactly what you have to do. So if you've been feeling a little bit lost when it comes to affiliate marketing, then this video is going to help you a lot. So set aside a few minutes and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss anything. Now, first off, guys, before we actually get started, I just want to say one thing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, there is no single best way to actually set up and create your first affiliate marketing campaign. There are tons of ways to promote any affiliate offer, and no one way is going to work for all offers. There is always a way to market an affiliate offer. Every affiliate offer can be marketed. You just need to figure out, and that's kind of one of the fun things about affiliate marketing that I do enjoy, is always trying to come up with new and creative ways to market and promote products and stuff like that. Anyways, with that being said, let's actually get right into it. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to find an affiliate offer that you want to promote. Now, there are tons of affiliate offers on the internet. You can just do Google search affiliate networks or offers. But I would say your best bet is to start off with somewhere like ClickBank. There's a few reasons why I always suggest ClickBank to new affiliates. One of the main reasons is that most of the offers on ClickBank give you a ton of resources that you can use to market or promote them. Other affiliate networks tend to leave this kind of up to you. And when you are new to affiliate marketing, this can be kind of tricky because you have no idea what works and what doesn't. You don't know what banner is going to work. So it's really a good idea just when you're starting out to start with offers from ClickBank. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some offers on ClickBank and we're going to talk about them. I'm going to show you what to look for so you can help you pick winners and products that are good to promote. So once you've logged in, you've created an account at ClickBank, you're going to go to the marketplace, and this is where you're going to have all the affiliate offers that they have to offer. Now, you can click on by section here if you want to go for a specific niche or something like that. When you're starting out, I would suggest you start with something like sports is good, languages are easy, home and garden, green products can be good, fiction can be good, employment is good, education is good, cooking can be kind of tricky. It's very competitive, all the keywords and stuff like that. But you want to start off with those things. You want to look at niches that are more underground. You want to stay away from like gambling. You want to stay away from like fitness and stuff. Those are very competitive, and finance extremely competitive. So you're gonna have a hard time marketing your offers. So you're gonna want to pick on more of those sort of like underground hidden niches, ones that are not as saturated as much. Now you can either click on the ones you want to on a category right here, or you can just click here, press enter, and it'll give you all the offers. Now this is showing us all the offers that are on ClickBank right now. Now the first thing I like to do is I like to click on here, sort results by, and go to gravity. Gravity is just a metric that ClickBank uses to determine how popular a product is. So things that have a higher gravity pretty much means more people are making sales. I believe the way it is that it's the amount of affiliates that have made a sale in the last 2 weeks, something like that. I'm sure there's other things in the metric, but that's the basic of it. So if you see something that has a really high gravity, it means a lot of people are promoting it and a lot of people are making commissions and sales on it. Now, this can be good and it can be bad. It can be good because you know that it's a product that is converting. It can also be bad because it means that the keywords and everything are going to be more saturated and going to probably be more expensive if you want to target keywords, especially if you're going to do like paid traffic and stuff like that. But again, like I said, you want to sort it by gravity. You want to take a look. Now, you don't want to do is you don't want to pick something that has like a zero gravity. You want to have some kind of gravity to it. And what I would suggest is when you're starting out, you can go over here and you can change the filters, and you want to slide that up to somewhere around 30 and just keep it, I don't know, we'll do 32, 90. What that's going to do is going to filter out the ones that have like no gravity, so nobody's making commissions. But it's also going to filter out the ones that are going to be really saturated. All right. And then you're going to have a list of products and stuff like that that you can promote. Now, again, you could just go by category if you want. I prefer just to look at by gravity and then find ones that I'm interested in and just scroll down. Okay. Now, when you are looking at offers, there's a few things you want to look at. The first thing you want to take a look at is look at the average conversion. You don't want this to be too low, okay? I wouldn't go for anything under $30. I usually try and go somewhere around like 40, 45, unless I look at a product and I'm like, you know what, that's really good. I don't mind it being lower. Like if I really like this one and I thought I could really sell it, I wouldn't mind that it's $33 average conversion. But again, you want it to be somewhere around 40-ish. 40 is a good number. The next thing you want to take a look at is if it has reoccurring billing. This is really, really important, guys. If you're deciding between like two products, which one you want to promote, and one of them has reoccurring billing, I would probably go towards the one that has reoccurring billing. Like if they're tied for everything else, like you like both products exactly the same, you know the niche is exactly the same, everything else is pretty much the same in your eyes, like you can't really decide, and one has reoccurring billing, go for reoccurring billing. This just means that after you made the sale, there's a chance that you're going to keep getting commissions every month from that one sale, and that can add up. Like if you got 100 people that are signed up, you know, on one commission on one product program, and it has recurring billing, that can be, you know, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, easy. So it's really important. If you see an offer that has recurring billing, go for that offer. That's a really good thing to look for. Now, the next thing you want to take a look at when you're looking at ClickBank offers is you want to take a look and you want to look at the affiliate resources. That's really important. You only want to pick offers when you're starting out that give you affiliate resources. So for example, for this product here, I've gone to the affiliate page, and if you scroll down, they're giving you email swipes and banners and stuff like that. That's really good. You want that, okay? The more stuff they give you, the easier it is your job as an affiliate marketer, the less work you have to do. Look for ones that give you article swipes, and stuff like that, because if they give you an article swipe, that's really good, because when you're making a landing page or something, you can just use that article text to create your landing page. You don't have to go and write a long review or anything like that if you don't want to. All right, so always look for an offer that gives you a lot of affiliate resources. The more the better. Now, another good thing you want to take a look at is whether or not they give you a contact email or contact. Like this one here doesn't, this one does. This one gives you a contact, so they give you an email address. So if you have any questions about the product, you can shoot them over an email, say, hey, I wasn't sure about this, or let's say maybe in the affiliate page resources, they didn't give you an article swipe, and you want an article swipe because you don't want to write one. You say, hey, do you have any article swipes you can send me over? And if they have it, they'll send it to you. These guys are usually pretty good about doing it, these affiliate contacts. So when you are looking for an offer, make sure it's got a lot of resources, and make sure there is some sort of contact for you to reach out to if you have questions. Okay, so after you've gone through ClickBank and you looked at other offers and you found an offer you want to promote, you need to create a landing page. A landing page is somewhere that you're going to send the traffic before you send them over to the affiliate offer. Some people will tell you that you don't need to use a landing page when you're promoting offers. They are wrong. You need to use landing pages. You always want to pre-sell or warm them up before you send them over to the actual affiliate page or the sales page. Never send traffic directly to the offer. Always use a landing page, okay? And actually, some ad networks will actually suspend ads that direct linked. So again, guys, use landing pages. It's not a lot of work. It's very important, and the better your landing pages are, the more money you're going to make. Okay. Now, a landing page doesn't have to be anything too complicated. Don't get worried and think, oh, it's a lot of work. It can be a blog post that's just about a product that you're trying to promote, a short quiz, a questionnaire, even just a basic small form with like an email opt-in with a lead magnet, like a free ebook or something. Those are all landing pages that you can use. There's tons of landing pages types you can use, but you are going to need one. All right. Now, another thing is, before you actually do create your landing page, you want to take a look at the offer you're trying to promote and create a profile on who your ideal customers, who they are, what their hobbies are, what their likes are, dislikes, age, sex, income level, education level. Build a profile of who you're going to target and who you want to market to. And then everything you do after that, you need to sort of build around that demographic and that profile. Let me just show you two examples of landing pages. Okay, so this is one type of landing page here. This is just a basic article. This took me, I think, about 15 minutes just to write this. I could make it a lot longer. I could make it a lot shorter. This is just a basic quote-unquote review article that I wrote about a product that was on Max Bounty, which is like these fitness resistance bands, Toro brand. Again, like I said, It doesn't have to be something too complicated and too difficult. Again, a basic small little review like this that takes about 15 minutes to write is more than enough for a landing page. What I've done when I create this landing page is I basically just talked about how working out at home is difficult and this and that, and what are the biggest problems we're working out and how this product solved that problem. I came across as a helpful, friendly person, not someone trying to sell them. I just talked about a product and then offered it. I said that I tried a bunch of other different products. None of them worked. I didn't like them. This was the best one out of the 5. I didn't say it was the best ever. I said out of the 5 products that I ordered and tried, this was the only one that actually worked well for me. That's a good example of what a basic landing page has to be. It doesn't have to be something too complicated. And again, this is on medium.com, so you don't even need to use a hosting or anything like that. This is free to do. You just sign up medium.com and create your landing pages, just written articles with links to your affiliate offer. Now, another one that you can do is this one here. This one looks kind of complicated. This is a website, thisiswhyimbroke.com. It looks complicated and looks like a lot of work, but it's actually pretty simple and pretty easy to set up. All they've done with this website is basically just gone to a bunch of websites like Amazon and stuff like that, and just look for interesting, kitschy sort of pop culture type products. And they've just compiled them. And every one of these links here is a link to an affiliate product. Every one of them here. Whether it's Amazon or somewhere else or the actual website itself, they've just gone around and they've just compiled a list of all these interesting, weird, and funny products. And you notice that there's nothing to this site. All it is a picture, a short little blurb about it, the price, and a link. That's it. So no writing, tons of articles and stuff like that. This is really easy. Like once you get this set up and you've got a system down for finding these products, it's not that much work to make a website like this. And a website like this, once you get traffic to it, it does work really well. It really does. So to sum it up, all you're going to need to do is create a basic website or any type of landing page or an article like this one, okay, that just gives you somewhere to send the traffic before they go to the offer. And again, it doesn't have to be too complicated or too long. This, again, like I said, it took me, I think 10, 15 minutes to write it. If I was going to be using this one for an actual landing page and using it to promote stuff, I would probably make it a bit longer. I'd maybe add, some exercises or something like that, or create a basic ebook with some, 10 exercises you can do using the product. But again, like I said, it doesn't have to be anything too complicated. It just needs somewhere that they can land. Your traffic has somewhere to land and somewhere where they can pre-sell them on the actual product, get them ready to buy. That's what you want to do with this. Now, once you've got your landing page sorted and you're happy with it, the next thing you need to do is to get traffic. You need to get people landing on that page and seeing your offer. And the 2 main traffic types are free and paid. Free traffic is from places like Google Search, social media, forums, Reddit, places like that. And unless you're actually getting organic search traffic from like Google or Bing, most of the time it is not going to be passive, and you really need to hustle to get it going and keep it going. A good example of free traffic sources could be, Facebook groups, Reddit, promoting to your own followers on social media. Those are all good examples of free traffic sources. But again, they do require more work to get results, and they are not as passive. But it is free. But again, you're going to have to work more to get any results. The other is paid traffic. This can be from Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Pretty much every major service or website will have some sort of ad program. And if you are starting out, guys, I would recommend you stick to Google or Bing ads. Facebook and Instagram can be a bit tricky sometimes with certain offers and landing pages. So when you're brand new, I suggest you go with Bing or Google. Let me show you a couple things to look out for when you're actually running Google ads, because a lot of people don't do this and they waste a lot of money when they're doing it. Okay, so the first thing is when you get to this page here, when you're setting up your campaign, right here where it says networks, you want to deselect these. You do not want to send ads to these. This traffic does not convert as well. Another thing you want to do is, unless you're promoting to a specific country, so let's say it's US only, or let's say it's for Germany only or whatever, your main countries you want to focus on, even if it's worldwide traffic, you want to focus on Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. Those are the top 5 when it comes to conversions and sales. So if you're going to be spending money on ads, you don't want to be spending it on traffic that's not going to convert as well. This is the traffic that's going to make you the most money, so focus on those countries, okay? Unless, of course, it's not allowed, then you don't focus on them, but this is what you primarily want to focus on, if possible. Next thing, when you're targeting, you want people in or regularly in. Don't You don't want people who are just interested. You want people who are actually located in those places. Next thing is you want to make sure you target the correct language. Don't add another language that's not necessary. Unless the offer is in a different language, only focus on English or whatever language it is. Budget, again, this is up to you how much you want to spend per day. I prefer to spend around 20 per day. I like to run an ad for 5 days. It's a $100 ad spend when I'm doing my testing. And then from there, I can make adjustments. And once I have it making its a profitable campaign, then I just scale it up. But until then, you don't want to spend too much money. And the reason, again, why I do 20 is because, again, I want to spend that $100 so I have a good round number for when I'm doing my calculations. Another thing is, unless you're going to be tracking conversions, which is more advanced, you want to maximize your clicks. Those are pretty much some of the settings that you want to focus on when you're running your Google ad campaign. Also, when you're focusing on keywords, you want to focus on keywords that are lowest in the sales funnel. Stay away from words like review, best, which. These are all basically words that people use before they've actually made up their mind and before they decide that they're going to take action and make a purchase. They're still not decided on what they're going to actually buy. So you want to look for keywords that people use right before they actually make a purchase or right before they complete an action. I don't know, like where to buy whatever product near me, product name for sale, like things like that. Like you want to focus on words that people search right before they actually buy. Put your mindset into someone who's shopping and think, what keywords do I use when I'm about to buy something? And those are the keywords you want to focus on. People spend a lot of money getting people down to the funnel to this point. And why should you waste your hard-earned ad spend on that when you can focus on this? Let everyone else spend their money on that. You spend your money on focusing on the people that are ready to buy. Okay, so let's quickly recap what you actually need to do. You need to go to somewhere like ClickBank, okay? You need to find an offer to promote, create a profile of your ideal customer. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a landing page for that product that appeals to the person that you're trying to target and for the offer that you're trying to promote. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and find a suitable traffic source that could be free or paid. And those are the basic steps you need to do. Now, there is one more step. And this is a step that a lot of people tend to skip, and it is really, really important, and you should not skip it. And that is testing. You need to constantly test and make adjustments. Don't just create a campaign and just leave it. You need to always be running A/B testing. A/B testing is basically what you're doing is you're going to be making small adjustments to a campaign and analyzing how it affects the performance of that actual ad. So for example, you can start off with your headline on your ad or your text or your landing page or something like that, or your images. What you do is you'd run the campaign first on your landing page, like this landing page here. You get maybe 5-10 days of data, whatever you want to do. Then you would make a small change. For example, it could just be the call to action down here. You could just change this text, maybe make it a banner or make it a different text. And what you're gonna do is you run it for the same amount of time or the same amount of clicks, and you're gonna go and then analyze and see which one performed better. That is the basics of A/B testing. It is so important. If you want to be successful, you need to be running A/B testing on all your ad campaigns from the start. There is an art to it, and it does take a lot of time. But again, if you want to be successful, you need to invest that time and run A/B testing. You can ask any affiliate marketer who's worth their salt, and they will all tell you the same thing. Run A/B testing. Really, guys, it is that important. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Get out there, pick an offer, apply what I've shown you today, and make some money. And guys, don't worry if your first few campaigns don't do as well as you want. Just keep at it. You will get there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like this video, make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.